Hi everybody, it's Seamus Campbell here from Audacious Digital, and I want to tell you about this Friday, the 19th, Startup Tablelands Business Zoom Catchup. Now this week we've got Kellie Dyer from the Impact Innovation Group coming to talk to us from Brisbane. She's the Program Director for the Female Founders Impact Program, which is an initiative of the Impact Innovation Group, which is funded by Advance Queensland. But this is a really great, powerful program. So she's going to give us a brief summary of the program and then some Q&A so we can all get up to speed about what it is and who might be eligible to join the Female Founders program, and how to prepare for a future program if your business is not quite there yet. So this Friday, 12:30, either just turn up. There will be a Zoom link down below as well as a registration link. If you register, you can put things that you would like for other programs in there, and it just makes it a bit easier for us. So please register, but if you don't want to register, just turn up. And the more the merrier. We hope to see you here. And Kellie Dyer is great to listen to. She's very, very good value. Farewell.